I'll be going over question 33 from sample midterm A. So I'll go over each statement and verify whether or not it is true or false. So for letter number A, the mean of a known distribution must always be greater than 0. This is false because our mean for a known distribution is just a measure of center. And since we have a perfect example of a standard normal distribution where the mean is equal to 0, it nullifies the statement that the mean must always be greater than 0. So A is false. Let's look at letter B. So an easy way of illustrating this is by using an example from my tables. So flipping to table 2 from the stats tables, I'll use negative 2.4 for my Z value. So the proportion that Z is less than 2.4 is equal to 0.0082. So my first digit is 0.4. So negative 2.4 is 0.0082. So let's find if it's greater than the positive. So PZ that's greater than 2.4 is going to be 1 minus PZ less than 2.4. So that's going to be 1 minus PZ of 2.4. Left-tailed is 0.9918. So 0.9918, and that gives me 0.0082. So that means that this statement is true. And let's look at letter C. The height of a normal density curve must always be equal to 1. This is false because depending on our data, our standard deviation for a distribution that is normally distributed does not always have to equal 1. So if we have a flat bell curve, that means that we have a large standard deviation. If we have a tall bell curve, then that means we have a small standard deviation. So letter C is false. Let's look at letter D. Possible values of a standard normal random variable can range from negative 3.49 to 3.49. Now, this is a trick question, but this is actually false because even though for our tables, we have negative 3.49 is 0.00002, we still have a Z value that is even smaller than that, or is even more negative than that, that could give a proportion that is 0.00001 or 0.0000001. So that means that the range could extend far beyond to negative infinity if we wanted to. And likewise, it could extend all the way to positive infinity if we wanted to. So letter D is false. So let's look at letter E. The higher the standard deviation sigma, the taller the curve. This is actually false. The correct statement should actually be the higher the standard deviation, the flatter the normal curve. So this is false. So the answer here should be B.